Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening Word and signing in if prompted, because dictation needs your account for cloud processing. Once done, enable your microphone in System Settings and pick the correct input device. This ensures clear audio. Then, in Word, click Home and select Dictate and wait for the red dot that shows it's listening. Speak one short sentence at a time and make sure to name punctuation verbally when you need it. This speeds cleanup later. Now focus on accuracy. Speak naturally but pause briefly between sentences so Word can parse phrases correctly. You should use short spoken commands like period, comma, new line, and occasionally select last sentence to edit without touching the keyboard. If Word mishears a word, correct it immediately using typing or the voice correction feature, because early fixes prevent compounded errors. If background noise causes trouble, move to a quieter room or retrain your microphone so future dictation improves. To finish, stop Dictate and perform a careful review. Read aloud while you scan, and use /replace for repeated issues to save time. Save your document and export or share it as needed, because cloud drafts can change. If dictation stops working, check microphone permissions, update Office to the latest build, and restart Word. These steps resolve most problems. One key troubleshooting tip: test the mic in another app to isolate whether the issue is Word or the hardware.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.